Now we will do comparison of slopes of an isothermal and adiabatic process. Slope of an isothermal equation is PV is equal to constant, or that constant is viscous K. We differentiate it P dV plus V dP is equal to 0. We see, after simplifying this equation, we will get dP by dV is equal to P by V. In the PV diagram, dP by dV will be slope. In PV diagram, value of V is plotted along x-axis and the value of P is plotted on y-axis. Then dP by dV represent the slope of the curve. Slope of an adiabatic process PV V की पावर गामा P की पावर गामा P V की पावर गामा is equal to K is a constant. We will differentiate it to calculate the slope of an adiabatic equation. First P will we keep constant. We will differentiate V. Then V constant, we will differentiate P. Here we apply the product rule of differentiation. After P gamma V minus V की पावर gamma minus 1 into dV plus V की पावर gamma into dP is equal to 0. We will simplify this and calculate dP by dV is equal to gamma P by V. This is the slope of adiabatic equation. एडियाबैटिक और आइसोथर्मल का क्या आया था dP by dV आइसो इज इक्वल टू P by V. Put this value here. We will get dP by dV slope of adiabatic is equal to gamma dP by dV slope of isothermal. If we compare what, we will find the slope of adiabatic equation is gamma times greater than slope of isothermal. As gamma is the ratio of two specific heat at constant pressure by specific heat at constant volume. This ratio, the gamma value is more than 1. So adiabatic equation slope of adiabatic slope is steeper than isothermal during expansion. In case of comparison, slope of isothermal lie below the adiabatic. If expansion is there, P, this is V versus pressure versus volume, A point, this is the B point. If expansion is there, then isothermal lies above the adiabatic. The adiabatic will be more steeper. As if compression is there, then adiabatic will be above the isothermal. This we can understand from here also. dP by dV adiabatic is equal to dP by dV isothermal level. If expansion is there, then this value dP by dV will decrease.